look too bad. The house actually looks pretty good, and even the roof actually looks newer.
You know, it has a fireplace too. Check it out.
Huh. All right, let's go inside. I hope it's not gross.
Hey, you know what? It's not gross. It's actually clean.
It's dated, but it's not too bad.
What in the world is that?
Giant brick fireplace. This is massive, and I don't know, I'm not feeling it.
That thing is huge.
It's taking over the whole entire room.
We can do something with that. I mean, so far though, what's your first impression?
It needs a big cosmetic rehaul. I don't know, there's a lot of stuff going on, but we can work with all of that, especially at this price.
Oh my gosh, the fireplace goes, let's even over here.
Double-side fireplace?
Yeah, this is the biggest fireplace I've ever seen.
The kitchen appears to have been remodeled maybe
20 years ago?
in the 80s, 90s. We'd
No.
have to update it, do something more modern. This neighborhood's gonna sell for a lot.
Well, to reach the comps in the high sixes, the house has to be like brand new, trendy, awesome. So,
Right, and we could never leave these either. This was a style back in the day. I'm not sure why it was ever a style, but it completely blocks off the entire room. What do you think we're looking at?
Okay, we kept the existing footprint, did our normal standard materials, probably about $6,000. If we did higher end cabinets, higher end counters, reconfigured, remove the soffit, open up the higher ceilings, remove the door, I mean, it can go size like 15,000.
That's what I'm leaning towards. Be nice if we could get rid of this.
Oh no.
Why?
That's gonna be like 10, 15 grand.
I just don't know how we'd even incorporate
Well,
this.
here's an option that we could do, potentially. We need Frank. Without removing the fireplace, what if we had a straight shot view to the kitchen and dining room by removing this wall, maybe to right here, and it will match the other side.
I like that idea.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Here is the main bathroom. Look at the size of this. They really maximize the space in this house.
This is a pretty big bathroom. We could easily add 2 sinks in here.
Probably spent about 7,000 in here.
Bedroom number 1.
It's pretty big for a 1,600 square foot house.
Yeah, not bad. All right, bedroom 2. Big room again. Let's check out the master.
Master's big. Wow.
It's a good size.
Dual pane windows.
Oh yeah, the only new windows in the house.
Save some money.
Huh.
What is this? Oh, it's a walk-in.
It's a small walk-in.
You walked in, that's a walk-in.
It's a small walk-in. It's a weird bathroom.
Big and unfunctional.
Interesting.
I just realized something, that we would be screwed here.
What?
We couldn't make a nice shower because this is the walk-in.
Yeah, it is. Darn. And where does this go?
Backyard.
You have a door to the backyard in the bathroom?
Yeah, this would have to be eliminated.
Ooh, the yard.
It's not bad.
It's not good.
It has the concrete curbing, block wall.
Does not have that wow factor. The yard screams like grandma.
Let's find out what we can get the house for. Let's walk it with Frank, find out how much it's gonna cost. And if it's in budget, maybe we can do something cool back here. We're gonna build out like a redwood deck or do something.
That'd be cool. Okay.
So, any major red flags?
Overall, not bad.
Based on what you see, what do you think it's gonna cost?
You're looking about 45.
And that is like
Basic.
basic.
There's no way we would do minimal 45 here. That wouldn't pay off.
You start going crazy, we could get up to 90.
Let's do this. See if we get the house, come up with a budget. We'll figure it out later. All right, Frank. We'll
Okay.
see you later, buddy.
Let me know what you decide.
Thank
we'll get on it right
you.
away.
Full price, right? Just
Oh,
come
yeah.
in full price.
For sure.
The seller accepted our full price offer of $525,000. We set our budget at $60,000, and now we're ready to get rolling on this house. Are you guys ready? Let's demo this thing. Better?
So much better. It's weird what a difference it makes just having those cabinets gone and those. It looks so much bigger in here. Okay, and something else I would love to do is remove this entire wall right here all the way over to the fireplace.
I have to go up in the attic, see what's actually structurally holding on that wall, as well as here, because there are some beams across here.
Right?
Okay, let's get up to the attic, see what we're working with.
Oh my God.
You all right?
Yeah, that was me.
Load bearing?
Yeah,
Almost fall through the house.
there's a lot of levels up here. It's the load-bearing wall. I'm gonna have to get the structural engineer to see if he's gonna require the pad footers.
Hey, Frank.
Hey, guys.
It looks like we're almost ready to level the ceilings, huh?
Yeah, we got the plans back.
Cool, look at that.
That's some really good news. We have a footing coming along this wall
We do have a footing.
and foundations around the fireplace. So we don't have to do the pad footers, which is typically a $3,000 addition to what we're doing.
Oh, yeah.
That's good news.
It's really good news.
So this is gonna come out and go up.
Okay.
All the ceilings in this area will be one height at this height.
Okay.
Looks so much better, right? My only concern is that, you know, we're gonna lose that wall space.
That's where the original refrigerator was.
Right.
But we can move the fridge into this pantry here, right?
They currently have what, a washer?
We have a wash machine in the pantry and the dryer in the garage.
The garage is too far to put the washer dryer. So I was just thinking there's space over here. Would it be possible to hook up the washer and dryer in this area?
You could for about $2,500.
So worth it.
Ay.
For real, this neighborhood is nice. The houses sell for a lot. It should come with indoor laundry.
All right, indoor laundry.
Okay? Once we do that, you can now open this wall and you have a recessed refrigerator space.
And you have a recessed pantry.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Now the sink is over here on the peninsula. We
Right.
typically don't put the sink on a peninsula.
I actually like the sink there.
Yeah, we normally don't
Okay.
do it because it's more expensive.
Yeah.
But we actually do like the sink in the peninsula. So washing, doing it, whatever, and you still have a view. All right, Frank, let's do that. This came out way better than I thought.
It's huge.
I went and got some materials, and I'm looking to do a design that we have never done. I'm trying to go with like a really strong, bold look. So I went shopping, I found these aluminum cabinets, and the idea would be to run the aluminum cabinets horizontally as an accent along this back wall, and then for the main cabinets, I'm thinking about doing a European finish. So flat panel, white, clean and light.
Okay?
And then I know Christina likes to spend a fortune on doing the reclaimed wood walls. What I'd like to do is use laminate because it's a lot cheaper. So the idea is to just stagger set it on the back side of the island.
All right.
Here's what I'm thinking here. All the flooring, concrete. Polish it out and the entire house will be concrete.
Concrete floors.
Concrete floors. I think it goes with the look.
Aluminum cabinets.
Yeah. It's bold, strong. Man, this looks killer. It totally modernizes the house. This fireplace was a problem. This was an eyesore. Now it's a showpiece. It looks really good. Kitchen is almost done. All right, Frank. So, since Christina was not part of the kitchen, she wants to be part of the bathroom design.
Okay.
She told me to grab some subway tile. I'm gonna call her because she said she wanted to do something different, and I don't understand exactly what that means. Hey, honey.
Hey,
So I'm here with Frank at the Costa Mesa house, and I have the sample. You said white subway.
I'm thinking white subway, but you know how the shower's like super small?
Uh-huh.
Instead of doing the usual horizontal, I say we lay the subway tile vertical, so up and down.
Never thought of that. Good idea.
It's unique, and I think buyers in the area will think it looks cool, and then also the shower's small, so I kind of feel like it's going to make it feel bigger.
Okay, you want to do that for both bathrooms?
Both bathrooms, and I would like to do it for the backsplash in the kitchen too. Just keep it simple.
Vertical. Okay, perfect. Got it. Check this out. I found these stones. I was shopping. It matches pretty darn well, and it's gonna match the concrete flooring.
That will match the concrete floor.
Now that the inside of the house is coming together, it's time to focus on the outside. We plan to paint this house gray with white trim. But to make sure the backyard pops, we've hired Jesse Escalera, a friend of ours that we've used on other landscape projects. And he's here now to help me out with the design.
All right, Jesse, so I have a couple ideas here I wanted to run by you because I'm willing to spend money back here. Here's my vision.
Okay.
Remove all the grass, put the DG in.
DG stands for decomposed granite. It's an inexpensive paving material that works well for desert-style, low-water outdoor spaces.
And then you said you want some sort of pop, like some sort of feature to catch the eye back here, like something to make it interesting, right?
Yeah, just like a little waterfall, just
All
something.
right, check it out. So what if we did like a weeping waterfall, hide a gas line under the gravel that you don't see, but then you've got this fire coming up. So you got water falling, fire rising. It'll give you an awesome effect. Personally, I think we should have a deck, okay? Like not a huge deck, but just like a wooden deck, horizontally going out towards that waterfall. It'll catch your eye.
Okay, so the waterfall I was thinking about is totally different than yours. What are we talking about cost-wise for yours?
I can do something for 4 that'll blow your mind, dude.
Okay, so...
Okay, so 4,000, we'll
4.
do that. Trust me on that.
The deck, how much?
Let's do 5. Let's do 5. 5. 4 is like, I gotta pay you to do it.
One thing I really want to do is horizontal fencing on the entire back block wall.
Let's do something a little different, okay? I'll take a flamethrower to it. We use these torches. They're like for doing roofing. It makes the grain pop. So it kind of looks sort of tiger stripey, like all the grain will turn black and everything behind it will stay the wood color.
Let's do it.
A rat.
It's gonna be expensive.
With the waterfall, decking, and horizontal slatted fence, this backyard is gonna be awesome. But I'm still not sold on the burning the wood to bring out the grain concept. So Jesse and I are doing a test.
I don't know if I like it. All right, Jesse.
Don't piss off the guy with the torch.
Yeah, okay, so that's what it looks like.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like the color.
The windows.
They didn't change the windows.
Interesting.
Hi, how you doing?
Hi.
I'm Tarek.
Veronica.
Veronica, hi.
Brianna.
Buyers, neighbors, realtors.
I'm looking for my mom, actually.
So I'll tell you a little bit about the house. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 789.9. It's about 1,600 square feet. Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Very modern.
Look how open it is here.
Did you see this? Fireplace on the other side?
Yeah, it's too.
Oh my gosh.
cool.
Is this cement?
Yeah, I think it's concrete floors.
I don't know. Sorry.
Look at this compared to the floor and then what this...
Yeah, it gets kind of a rustic or industrial effect.
Doesn't come with a refrigerator.
Oh, look at this deck.
Oh my God, is that a fireplace?
Yes.
That is seriously a statement piece.
Like, could you imagine having a bunch of chairs right here and just like,
I
sitting
love
around this,
that.
drinking some wine?
It's a big master.
This is really nice.
Only one sink.
Yeah, it might be hard to get ready in the morning.
Oh, I like the vertical.
It's nice. Subway tile.
That's so different. I never saw that before.
All right, so do you hate it or love it?
We
Love
loved
it.
The big question. What do you think about the price at $789.9?
I think it might be a little much, but I'll have to ask my mom and bring her back because she wants to live in this area.
Maybe a little on the expensive side.
Yeah.
Despite some rave reviews at the open house, we still haven't received an offer. Time to find another house to flip.